Given the recurring drought condition in Mandera, efforts have been directed towards expanding irrigation and flood control infrastructure. A total of 18 projects were implemented across various sub-counties with focus on irrigation, water supply networks, food control structures, flood control structures, and farm infrastructure improvement. Ongoing projects such as installation of irrigation infrastructure in Yabicho, both A and B, and the construction of Gambia Wall at Shantoley irrigation schemes aim to enhance resilience against climate shocks and improve agricultural productivity. Due to these efforts, the irrigated land area has expanded by 4.3% from the baseline irrigated area.